Greetings everyone. I am Reshmi Akhtar from Team Squad. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to present our project in front of you. The name of our project is Blood Bank. Let me introduce our Team Squad. Here is our team leader Anjan Devnath from Northwestern University, Khulna, CSE Department, 3rd year. It's me, Reshmi Akhtar from Northwestern University, Khulna, CSE Department, 3rd year. This is Nadim Shamrat from Northwestern University, Khulna, CSE Department, 3rd year. Let's proceed to our presentation. Now we will discuss why blood is needed. As we know, daily many people post on social media seeking for blood. Sometimes they have to suffer while searching for rare blood groups. There are many reasons patients need blood. A common misunderstanding about blood uses is that accident victims are the patients who use the most blood. Actually, people needing the most blood include those being treated for cancer, undergoing orthopedic surgeries, undergoing cardiovascular surgeries. We found on a research of WHO that every year approximately 85.6 million people need single or multiple blood transfusions for life-saving treatment. Blood transfusion saves lives and improves health, but millions of patients requiring transfusion do not have timely access to safe blood. Many people die because safe blood is not available even in some urban healthcare facilities. More than 81 million units of blood are collected globally every year. Only 45% of these are donated in developing and transitional countries. According to a 2011 survey by the Department of Health and Human Services, here is the actual breakdown of how blood is used in the US. We all know that health is wealth. For leading a healthy life, we should donate blood. There are many benefits of blood donations. Donor automatically warned of serious illness, beneficial for human heart, reduces cancer risk, lower cholesterol level, helps to weight loss. So we can say that our proposed solution fits with the theme healthy life. So far we have discussed about problems related to need of blood. Our blood bank application is the solution for the problems. This application will save time and will save life both. Using this application, anyone can manage his needed blood group in such a few minutes. So those patients who need urgent blood, their life can be saved. So our application will help them. On the other hand, our application is very simple and we provided less complexity so that every type of user can use it. It is user friendly, but we provided enough information of donor of every blood group and the application is divided with division so user can find needed area particularly. Though there are many blood bank in different hospitals, but sometimes in emergency case, blood group can be unavailable. Our application can solve this problem. This is the concept of blood bank. Here is the flow diagram of our application. At first, program will start. Then user can select his required division and also can go to back option. Then user will select required blood group. Here is also a back option. Then user will view the information of donors. Finally, program will be closed. In our application, we use some unique features which are divided by divisions, divided by blood group, text is selectable, contact number is easy to copy or dial, multiple donor of same blood. We have already made the application and here are some screenshots for visualization of the unique features. Blood donation is a great work as a human. Our application Blood Bank will encourage people to donate blood and helps to save life. And those patients needs blood, they can easily contact with interested donors using our applications. It's a non-profitable application. Social impact of our application is it saves life of patients. In every serious medical injury, patients need blood. Sometimes it's urgent to manage blood. Our application will help them in that situation. It will also increase social awareness and will encourage people to donate blood. Here are the details of the technology we used. JDK version JDK 1.7.0_80. Android Studio version Android Studio 4.0.1. Runtime version 1.8.0_242. Release 1644 B01 AMD 64. Minimum SDK API 16. Android 4.1 Jelly Bean. Gradly version Gradly 6.1.1. Emulator device Nexus 5X. API 25. Target Android 7.1.1. Real device Redmi Note 7 Pro Android 10. Now we are presenting our application video. So, this is all about our mobile application Blood Bank. It is user friendly and helpful application. Our purpose is to serve the people who need blood around our country, including that the information of donors we used for demo. Our Blood Bank application is ready, but we did not launch our application in Play Store. In future, we have more plans with this project. We will add more features in this application. Thank you for watching our presentation.